Hey guys, namaste, this is Pramila and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be another series of one brand tutorial and we are going to be creating this makeup look using Smashbox. So firstly, I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Primerizer Primer. It's a hydrating primer and use that all over my face. Then I'm going to be taking Smashbox Photo Finish foundation in the shade 3.1 and apply that with my beauty blender. This foundation is medium to full coverage and this one lasts all day. This one is a very beautiful foundation that I love. I'm then going to be taking Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. I think this is in the shade medium and apply that underneath my eyes. Basically, I'm going to be applying that wherever I have got the dark circle, really. And then I'm going to be taking the beauty blender again and blend that out. I will be then taking Smashbox, this one is the loose powder in the shade Fair Light, and apply that underneath my eyes wherever I have applied the concealer, really. This one is a very beautiful finely milled powder. It's a very hydrating powder as well. It will not make you look like, you know, powdery or cakey whatsoever. And then I'm going to be taking the shade Light and set my foundation with that color. I'm then going to be taking this contour palette and use the darkest shade there to sculpt my face. I'm literally going to be applying that to the hollow of my cheeks, around the temples area, and a little bit around my nose as well. This one is a beautiful contouring shade. It's not too much, not too ashy, not too warm tone. It's just a perfect shade for my skin tone, really. And then I'm going to be taking this Spotlight palette in the shade Gold and apply those two colors there as my highlighter. And yeah, basically on the high points of my cheeks, on a little bit on the nose, a little bit around my forehead, basically wherever you want to highlight and glow. Again, taking the same contour palette, I'm going to be taking that middle shade there. It's a bronzier, like orangey tone shade, which gives a perfect like a bronze goddess look. So look at that, I just love that shade there, guys. It's beautiful. All those three colors blended together, it's amazing. And then I'm going to be taking this brow powder and yeah, basically do my brows. This one is like, I mean, the tip of this product is like a pen, and then when you dip down in the pot, it's like a powder. So it's like, yeah, beautiful. It just makes the brows look really natural. And then I'm going to be taking the same concealer and then yeah, carve out my brows, clean the areas where I have like overly lined or things like that. So yeah, and that's my eyebrow done. I'm gonna do my next eye and be back. There we go. My another eyes, I mean the brows is done. So I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow palette. It's called a Blaze, and I'm gonna use that orangey shade there as my crease color and apply that to the hollows of my chin, not the cheeks, sorry, hollows of my eyes. I cannot talk, guys. And then taking that burgundy red color, I'm going to be then using that to the outer V of my eyes and also to the inner corner. So I'm going to create like a halo look, guys. So yeah, so basically I'm just going to be applying that to like two outer corners, I mean like outer corners and the inner corner, if that makes sense. And I'm gonna leave the center part bare, and then I'm going to be taking that pinky shimmery color to the center of my eyelid, just in the center there. basically just, I'm just trying to create a halo look, guys. I don't do that most often, so yeah. And then take the golden shade and then apply that to the inner corner of my eyes and also a little bit underneath my brow bone there. And then taking the same that orangey color that I used before, I'm gonna apply that to the lower lower lash line as well. And then taking that gold color again, I was not happy with that pinky color, so I just added that gold color to the center of my eyelid again there, and added that darker color again to the inner corner and outer corner. And then I'm going to be taking this I cannot talk, the mascara. I'm gonna take the mascara and apply that to my lashes, basically on the top and the bottom lash. And I'm going to be taking this liquid lipstick in the shade called Out Loud and apply that to my lips. Sorry, my lips is I mean, I don't know how to film, to be honest. There's always something wrong. And then yeah, that's the finished look, guys. It's more about that red, burgundy, orange mixed together. I just love the look that has come up in this video. So yeah, that's the finished look, guys. I hope you guys liked the video and I love you all. Bye.